Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Monday, Monday 13th of December. Another pressure wash job today. So yeah, I'll just show you where we're going. So right guys, here we are. All this nice big area. Bit of white spot, we'll soon get rid of that. Down here, here, and all the way along here. So we're going to pressure wash it and then get some treatment down on it, get it all spick and span. I'm guessing the sort of colour it's going to be, but yeah, so this is going to be pretty good. Right, so that's what the area we're doing. Shouldn't take too long, a couple of hours, get the whirl away on it. But yeah, let's crack on. Cheers all. So far so good. Just having a nice cup of coffee. Also, check this out. Mince pies. Boom. See you in a bit. done. Look at that. Amazing results. Absolutely amazing. Fantastic. Grey colours. It's quite fantastic. That mark won't come out. Got most of that cement that was there. And yeah. If you like the video, like and subscribe. It'd be very much appreciated. Thank you very much. It's my last patio clean of the year. Hope you all have a fantastic Christmas. Happy New Year. Yeah. Take care all. Bye.